Today, our topic is since we do not love nature, we do not how to love humans. So, we have lost our relationship with the nature. If once we understood that relationship, its real significance, then we would not divide property into yours and mine. Through one might own a piece of land it and build a house on it. It would not be mine or yours in the exclusive sense. It would be more a means of taking shelter because we do not love the earth and the things of the earth, but merely utilize them. We are insensitive to the beauty of waterfall and have lost the torch of life. We don't sit with our backs against the trunk of a tree, and since we don't love nature, we don't know how to love human being. We have lost the sense of tenderness and that sensitivity that responds to things of beauty. It is only in the renewal of the sensitivity that we can have understanding of what is the true relationship. The sensitivity does not come in the mere hanging of a few pictures or in painting a tree or putting flowers in your hair. Sensitivity comes only when this outlook is put aside. It does not mean that you can't use the earth, but you must use the earth as it is to be used. The earth is there to be loved, to be cared for, not to be divided as yours and mine. It is foolish to plant a tree and call it mine only when one is free of exclusiveness. Is there a possibility of having sensitivity.